You need 60 grams of butter and 20 grams of sugar, and you need to mix them all together. After you're done with that, just mix 130 grams of soft flour into the mixture and add a little bit of flour. Remember to mix it all together. And now just go in with your hands. Just go in with your hands. Now add an egg yolk and mix it with your hands after the butter is mixed together with the flour. Now wrap it in a cling wrap and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. Now I'm putting it in the refrigerator. I know this is the freezer for some of you guys, but this is a refrigerator in my house. Now I'm gonna set the timer to 20 minutes. Now crack a whole egg and an egg yolk and mix it together. Put in evaporated milk, that means graining your milk, for 40 grams and just mix it. Now add 100 grams of cooked water and 45 grams of sugar and mix it. And keep mixing it until it blends and dissolves. Now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's optional if you don't have any, I don't know, but maybe. And now mix it in together. Strain it into a measuring cup because I'm going to set it to the side. Now I am adding flour onto a cutting board since this dough is done. So I just took it out of the refrigerator and now I'm just shaping it, putting flour on it. Yeah, it's hard to explain. And yeah, just make it flat. Now add your filling onto the egg tarts. Now I'm putting the egg tarts into the oven and set it to 200 degrees Celsius and bake it for 25 minutes. Make sure to preheat it as well. Preheat the oven as well.